In this tutorial, we will continue with number 2. At first, we have this figure. We need to figure out the measurements of the angle ATE. Now, starting with the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, they sum up to 180. So angle C is equal to 180 minus angle E. So to find angle E, we subtract C from 180. Since C plus E is equal to 180 degrees, so E is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, which is 110. Now that we have found the measurement of angle E, we can actually find ETD and TDE. And that is because the triangle ETD is an isosceles triangle. And so, in such case, the base angles are equal. So to calculate them, it would be ETD is equal to TDE, which is equal to 180 minus 110 divided by 2, and that would be 70 over 2, which is equal to 35 degrees. And now, we have found the measurements of the base angles, and of course, ATE using the alternate segment theorem is equal to 35 degrees.